Right, next step, I'm just gonna I've turned off my guides, gotten rid of the headline sort of text here. Just for a minute, I'm going to go ahead and grab the. In fact, I'll bring those guides back. Going to use the pen tool to make a shape. Now, I'm going to pop some text into this shape. The reason I'm not just using the text tool itself is so that I can make some fancy adjustments. So first of all, I'm just going to head over to InDesign and grab the type tool, and I'm going to fill with placeholder text, which is just gibberish for this sort of occasion. I'll go ahead and copy some of that, and I'll see in Photoshop that when I select the type tool and sit inside my path, the little icon changes, indicating that I can now go ahead and select into the path and paste my placeholder text. Yay, fantastic. The other thing I would like to do now that I've got it in there is I want to rotate and get it sort of on about the same angle as the main artwork, which was sort of minus 20 degrees. I'll give it that 20 and a half, that looks alright, or maybe even more, maybe 21. Just doing this by eye, that looks okay. And this is the reason that I've used the shape layer, is that if I put in a normal text box and then rotate it, the box will rotate, the text will stay level, and that wasn't really what I was after. Cool, so that's got that. Now I want to go ahead and make sure that this works into the space that I've sort of allocated there. And to do that, I am going to switch back to the path selection tool with the letter A, and then switching to the quick selection tool. I need to just move parts of this path individually, and I'm wanting to pop them into place so that they form a custom shape that fits my artwork. That's looking pretty good there. Good enough anyway. I'm just going to rough this in. I can give myself perhaps a bit more room. You know, if I was really feeling like a thrill seeker, I could full bleed this text, but I'm just going to leave a little bit around the outside edges. Lovely. This looks a bit khaki here though, doesn't it? So what I'm needing to do is to grab a hold of the pen tool, hold down the option key, in fact I'll do it over here, and just adjust my path shape so that it does the job for me and creates that lovely sort of custom shape that sits around my existing artwork. That looks okay. I'll probably just I think I probably did go a bit too far. You've either got to full bleed it or not, so I'm just going to leave a little bit of room around the outsides there, and that should be pretty good. And with my headline text, lovely.